Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are unable to set default programs for JPEG files. So if you are having an issue when you trying to change the file association and you are unable to successfully do that, let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Settings, open it guys. In here, wait for it. Go to on left side you need to go to apps. On right side go to installed apps guys. In here you need to type photos, photos. Here found Microsoft Photos. You need to click on three dot icon over here guys. Go to advanced option. In here you need to scroll down. Here is option guys. If this app isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted. Click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Click on reset guys. Now close out of here. After finishing this, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. Click restart. Now if you try and change the default programs to open up files, hopefully that problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial is definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.